Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Discord to watch movies with friends. To watch movies with friends on Discord, you can use the screen share feature in the voice or video channel. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting it up. First, launch Discord and join a server that you and your friends are part of by clicking on a server. Navigate to a voice channel on your server and join it by clicking on the name of the voice channel. This will allow you to use the screen sharing feature. Now, open the movie you want to watch on your preferred platform, such as Netflix, YouTube, or any media player, in a separate window on your PC. Make sure it's set to full screen or the desired viewing size. In Discord, click on the screen share button and monitor icon at the bottom of the voice or video channel. Choose the application window if you want to share only the movie player or browser window. Alternatively, choose screen, then choose your monitor if you want to share your whole desktop. So now, I choose screen and my monitor. Set the stream quality and frame rate, then click Go Live. Your friends in the voice channel will see an option to join the stream. They can click this to watch the movie with you in real time. Adjust the volume within the movie player on the Discord as needed. You can also toggle the streaming quality settings during playback. Once everything is set, enjoy the movie together. You can use Discord text or voice chat to discuss the movie in real time. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.